Alright, here we have Chapter 8 YouTube problem, and I don't recall seeing a number for what example it was referring to, but the goal was to make a function that would take in a sentence and reverse each word and then print out said sentence of each word reversed. In this case, it would be to be or not to be, that is the question, would be reversed into ot eb roton ot eb tot si et noit esuek, or however that would be pronounced, just to give an idea of what it would look like reversed with for each individual word, rather than simply just having the sentence itself be reversed. To do this, I went through, and it's not the prettiest of code, but have it, if the last part of the string is a period, it will run through and remove that period and hold it so that it no longer has that period, and it will iterate through and just add that period afterwards so that the period doesn't get reversed as well as the rest of the word. It keeps the period at the end effectively by removing it and then adding it on once all of the reversals have occurred. And a quick example, just a quick run through, just showed that it did that. Let's see once more. Well, that's not the right way. That's still not the right way. There we are. And again, it does that. I have it go from a string to a list, and within that list, I then take it and reassign the period. But towards the end, once it is as just a string, I remove this last space there so that it doesn't join another space as it joins every index into the string itself. Quick. And the else segment here has it run through effectively the same code minus the sentence holder, because if it doesn't detect or check for the period at the end of the sentence, it can simply just reverse each word individually and don't have to worry about the period being reversed with the last word itself. Pretty basic function, fairly messy code, but it does work, and we can do. That is the question of all questions. There we go. Fola 50 with snoit swix with a period at the end there. There we have it.